So let's move on to another one, that is question number 11. A line parallel to the straight line 2x minus y equals 0 is tangent to this hyperbola at the point x1, y1. So point given x1, y1, we know the equation of tangent, how it is being defined. It is simply t equals 0, that is x1 upon 4 minus y1 upon 2 equals 1. They are asking for simple value x1 square plus 5y1 square. Simple one, let's try out. Tangent, that is t equals 0, giving you x1 by 4 minus y1 by 2 is equal to 1. It is parallel to this line, so slope must be 2. Slope, that is x1 by 4 into 2 by y1, this must be equal to 2, giving you x1 is equal to 4y1, 1 relation. x1, y1 is a point lying on this hyperbola. So let's substitute. Also, we have x1 square, that means 16 y1 square upon 4 minus y1 square upon 2 is equal to 1. That means 4 minus half, that is 7 by 2, y1 square is 1, giving you y1 square is 2 by 7. So giving you x1 square equals 16 y1 square, that means 32 by 7. Correct? Now put the values of x1 square and y1 square in this requirement. So what we will be getting? Therefore, x1 square plus 5y1 square is 32 plus 10 by 7, that is 6. So I'm sure this question is clear. Let's check out the correct one. Correct answer is 6, that is option number 2 it is given. So let's mark and mention as the required answer. So simple question from coordinate geometry. Let's move on to another one. Question number 12 says box 1 contains 30 cards numbered 1 to 30. Box 2 contains 20 cards numbered 31 to 50. A box is selected at random and a card is drawn from it. The number of the card is found to be a non-prime number. Important thing, non-prime number. The probability that the card was drawn from box 1. Simple question from probability. Let's try out. Probability that it is being drawn from box 1 given that it is a non-prime number. So let's write down B1 by NP. Box 1 given that it is a non-prime number. So what is the result? Probability it is non-prime from box 1 into probability from box 1 divided by total probability, that is probability from box 1 into probability of non-prime from box 1 plus probability from box 2 into probability of non-prime from box 2. This is clear? Now, probability that it is from box 1 or 2, it is simply half into non-prime from box 1. What is box 1? Box 1 has numbers 1 to 30. So what are primes in box 1? You can see 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29. So how many total you observe? This is 10. How many non-prime? Box 1 non-prime. This is 20. Correct? So let's write down 20 by 30 divided by half into 20 by 30 plus half into, next box is containing numbers from 31 to 50. How many primes in this case? 31, 37, 41, 43 and 47. So how many total? 5. So how many non-prime? Total 15. So I'm sure this is clear. Just simplify to get the final result. You can see that half is cancelled, zeros are cancelled. So what we will be getting after this cancellation? Let's write down. This is 20 upon 3. Correct? And what is there in denominator? Let's write down. This is 20 upon 3 plus 15 upon 2. I'm sure this is clear. Some simplification is required. Just do that and get the answer as 8 by 17. So I'm sure this is clear. Let's mark the correct answer from the given options. 8 by 17, that is option number 4. It is clearly correct one. So write down as the correct answer option number 4. Let's move on to another one, that is question number 13. If the tangent to the curve y equals x plus sine y at a point a comma b is parallel to the line joining these 2 points, then which of the following is correct? Let's try out. Tangent to the curve at a comma b is parallel to this line joining, correct? Meaning we need to find the derivative, put the value for x as a and value of y as b. So first go for the derivative. 1 plus cos y into dy by dx. That means dy by dx at a comma b. This is equal to 1 upon 1 minus cos b. This must be equal to slope joining these 2 points. That means 2 minus 3 by 2, that is half, divided by half minus 0, that is half. Correct? Just cross multiply. This gives you 1 equals 1 minus cos b, or cos b is equal to 0. When you say cos b is 0, clearly you can say sin b can take values plus minus 1. Why I am trying to get the value for sin b? Because I have to get the value when you substitute x and y as a and b in this function, you will be getting sin b as well. Now, when you put here a and b, you are getting b equals a plus sin b. Meaning b minus a equals plus minus 1. So the correct answer is here as option number 4. So let's mark and mention as the required result. So I'm sure this is clear. Let's move on to the another one.